Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ricardo, and today I'll be showing you some tips and tricks on how I go about animating talking lips. So let's get started. Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to animate animate lips or lips in general. I'm using TV Paint right now. Any animation program like Clip Studios or Toon Boom or whatever, you can do the same thing as long as it has like a light table. It will make your life much easier. So start with the first frame, usually close, and the second frame, notice it's that's onion skin, so you see the previous frame. And I usually do this, like a make ellipse, more of a O shape. Okay, I'm doing a horrible job right now. Let's try this again. Let's put mode. And then for the third one, I usually stretch it. I'm gonna turn on this. I'm gonna turn on both previous frames so you can see it. And let's play it. See, when you do it like this, it looks like the person is talking. Because if you do it this way, I'm gonna do the way that typically someone would do it. Basically, they would have the smile. There you go. Yeah, the person will smile. The next frame, they basically do this. I mean, you can do this as well. And then, I don't know, back to smile, I guess. Let's see how that looks like. I mean, some anime you can do it this way as well, as you can tell. But for me, I like to do it this way. See, the mouth is like doing this. Let's see if I can do a better example. The mouth is like this, this, and this, and then stretch out. That's how I usually do my mouth. So let's try it again in a different angle. So let's see. Mouth is like this. See, the mouth is like this angle. This angle. There we go. Oh. Alright, so let's do the other two frames. See, this is why you need to name your layers, because then you can't find them. Anyway, next frame. Let's do oh. Okay, this is off. right? And then the next one, you're not gonna close it, but it's gonna be almost closed. You want to stretch it out, but you don't want to stretch it out too far, because that's the original mount right there. So here you go. So let's talk. Again, this is how I do it. You don't have to do it this way, but I feel like there's a lot more flexibility when you do it this way. Like it goes for any talking, like when a person is talking, you see it that way. So that's how I do mount. And so let's put it into practice. So where is this girl? Okay, so I already animated this animation. This is purposely just for the mount to show you guys how I do animation when this is a put the change of color so you can see it. This is the layer with all the frames, and all the frames, if you notice, our mouth is she's still smiling because I did this so you guys can I can show you guys how I'm gonna go by doing the lip flaps for this animation. So let's get back to the first one. Let me lock all the frames. Alright. I don't like this here. Let me fix that. Alright, so let's have our talking. Okay, the next frame. And she's smiling, so let's do this smiling. Like, oh, I'm smiling. So this time, yeah. No. Okay, so that one, and now for the next one. Turn on the previous one so I don't go past that frame, that drawing. Alright, let's see what it looks like now when I play it. See? Don't worry about the these flashes. Let me stop this. There we go. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, let me repeat this. I may need to move these things. Same. Bring. Alright, let's see. See? She's talking. But right now, because she's talking, it looks like she's staring like creepy. Cause she, you know, she's looking dead at you. Close. Come on, close. There we go. Let's put some life into her. But you get the idea. Our lips are moving, and she's talking. So let's move our eyes, because she's creeping me out. Our eyes. We're doing the same thing for our eyes. Same premise. So this is our eye layer. Let me turn it on. Well, put colors on it so you know which one. So now, next frame. We're turning this one. All right. So when it comes to the eyes, right, you want to go off halfway. So we're doing like this here, halfway. You don't want to fully close it, just halfway. This might look weird. And then you draw our eye. There we go. You want to close our eyes. There you go. So let's play it. Yep. It's gonna freak you out because it's not timed. Once you put it in different program like After Effects and whatnot, you can time them out and the eyes. So let's see if I was gonna time it. I'll go right here. Close, open, and delete. So let's play it again. See? It's like blah 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 blah. But at least it have some life into it. So let's continue with a head turn. So here's a little trick I normally do when it comes to animating eyes or mouth in general. So you know how her head about to be, she about to turn now. So normally, see that? That's the first frame right before she start moving. Close, then open when you get to the last turn. It's kind of why I have so many heads on. There you go. See? 1, 2, 3. So it's like an illusion. First frame before she start turning, getting closer, her eyes close, and then bam. And then she back to the keyframe where you want her to be. So if I turn off the eyes and the mouth, see that? Okay. So now more lip flapping again. Where's the mouth? So because I did this 3, now I have to do more lip flapping. So let's start from here. See, last frame our mouth was closed. Now to have it open. But now I want, yeah. Let me turn on this one to have an idea how the lips should be. There you go. Great thing about this, see, I turn on the first frame, well, the second frame when she first talking. So this is why you need the onion skin, so you can turn the entire face and make sure everything lines up properly. See? Yep. Check that out. See, this is our current mouth. Let me move this down. There you go. And all I got to do is just trace the mouth, so it doesn't look like a totally different drawing. Then, see, close, open, then the bigger smile. There you go. Then the smile. See now. Let's see. See that? So, like, let's creep you guys out. We're gonna repeat. Repeat. Let's say 3. And move this here. Alright, let's see. Talking. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. See? Let's keep repeating. Let's just keep talking. And now let's do it for the head turn. See the head turn here. So now she's here. Our mouth is closed again. So if you notice, every time I do a turn, I usually have the mouth closed. It's not every time you have to do that. You can do that, but for me, it works when you're doing a turn. Because it's going to be so fast, you don't really pay attention to it. So now, for the other mouth, and your head is turned. Same premise, guys, same premise. This time I can't trace the other mouth because our head is turned. Oh, what am I doing? So the previous mouth is closed, not for open. There you go. And then smell them out. Well, let's see how it looks when her head is turned. See? And then let's repeat this 3 times. Okay, let's zoom them out and talk. Blah blah blah. Oh wait, sorry. I need to move there. I need to move this. Alright, here we go. You see that? And that's how I animate mouth. I obviously have to go back and clean it up because right now it's kind of look off. But you get the idea. Alright guys, so after playing around with TV Paint, I gotta time the eyes and I time the mouth, so check it out. Alright. Alright guys, so if you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I know I kind of went through TV Paint without showing how to use TV Paint, but if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments and I will go to more of an in-depth tutorial on how to use TV Paint. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See ya later.